छात्र और गुरुओं के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन। टुडे on this occasion of Teachers Day, I am very happy to be here. I know this day is very special for us. We have with the founder and coach of both classes, Dr. Abhinendra sir. मैं आपसे आग्रह करना चाहूँगी कि आप इस पवित्र अवसर पर यहाँ पे आके 2 शब्द कहें।
Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you so much for inviting me here on this special occasion of Teachers' Day. And being a founder of this tiny institution, Gold Classes, this is an institution of English language. I feel proud to be here, and I want changes to happen in the society. That was the motive behind this institution. I introduced it, and I want to give a message to the society that teachers are important and they can bring out positive changes in the lives of students. So with that tiny motive, I started this institute long years ago, and finally on this special day, I want to highlight the importance of teachers and their role in the society we are in. So everybody, as Pratiksha has said earlier, today is a Teachers' Day, and this is a very special day for us, for the teachers, for the students. This is definitely very special day for us. And I want to highlight and I want to mention the dedication of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He devoted his entire life for the betterment of the society. He spent his life as a teacher, and he served the whole nation as the vice president, first vice president of India, and he was the second president of India as well. So on the birth anniversary of his life, we always celebrate in India Teachers' Day. On 5th September every year we celebrate this day, and internationally on some other days, in different nations on different days, dates it is celebrated. So I want to give you a clear message on this special occasion that you should always understand the importance of teachers in your life, because they are the only one who can give you right kind of guidance. They always teach you, they tell you to be on the right path and to grow in life. After your parents, teachers are the, I think, only one, those who play an important role in your life. So you always have to respect your teachers and take blessings from your teachers, and this is what I want to say. And at my age, I can say at the age of 34, I also give my heartiest gratitude to my teachers, because whoever I am, wherever I am, this is the blessings of them. And I did my masters as well as doctoral degree in English. So this is the teachers who saved my career, and I am enjoying the status quo where I am right now. So thank you very much for inviting me, Pratiksha, once again. I don't want to take much of your time because I have some students, they are willing to speak something on this particular occasion. So please carry on and let some others to speak something, and permit them to speak something on this special day.
Please have your seat. इसी क्रम में अपने अगले क्लासमेट अमन को बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
Thank you very much, Pratiksha, for having me here on today's special occasion of Teacher Day. Good morning to all of you. And the Teacher Day celebrated are always provide us best education, and they are always help us and how to overcome challenge, and they are always trying to become a better human beings in the life. And we can say teacher are big role in the student life, and he is great teacher and who provide us best manner how to behave, and that's all about it. I am very thankful to talk about it. Thank you very much, sir. And my coach, Dr. Amin sir, he is always insist on me to do better in your life, and you will become best version in the life. That's all about it. Thank you very much, sir.
Please have your seat. इसी क्रम में मैं अपने क्लासमेट प्रिंस सर को बुलाना चाहूँगी।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और मैं सबसे पहले प्रतीक्षा का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पे बोलने का कुछ अवसर दिया, और मैं साथ ही साथ धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ अपने टीचर डॉक्टर अमन सर का, जिन्होंने मुझे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने का मौका दिया और मुझे गलत और सही के बीच में डिफरेंस समझाया। आज मैं कुछ फ्यू वर्ड डिलीवर करना चाहता हूँ अपने टीचर्स के लिए। टीचर, अगर देखा जाए तो एक टीचर जो है समाज का दर्पण होता है, जो हमें समाज की अच्छाई बुराइयों में फ़र्क समझाता है और हमें एक अच्छा एजुकेशन देता है। और हम अच्छी तरह से इन चीज़ों को जानते हैं कि एजुकेशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो समाज में बदलाव ला सकती है। यदि देखा जाए इस सोसाइटी में, तो एक डॉक्टर की अगर बात की जाए तो चाहता है कि अधिक से अधिक व्यक्ति पेशेंट बने जिससे हमारा काम चले। एक इंस्पेक्टर चाहता है कि अधिक से अधिक लोग अपराधी बने जिससे मेरा काम चलता रहे। और ऐसा क्या कि हर व्यक्ति अपने स्वार्थ के लिए चाहते हैं कि कुछ न कुछ लोगों के साथ घटनाएं घटित होती रहे जिससे हमारा काम चलता रहे। लेकिन एक टीचर ये जो हमेशा ये सोचता है कि मेरे स्टूडेंट हमेशा मुझसे आगे जाए। तो मैं ऐसे महान टीचरों को दिल से रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ। और मैं बात करूँ अपने टीचर डॉक्टर अमन सर की, तो इन्होंने मुझे बहुत लाइफ में आगे बढ़ाया और अच्छे बुरे को समझने में काफ़ी मेरी हेल्प की। और वो हमेशा प्रयास में लगे रहते हैं कि मैं अपनी लाइफ में ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ता रहूं, और हमेशा मुझे मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं, हमेशा आगे बढ़ने का सजेशन करना चाहते हैं। तो मैं दिल से आभारी हूँ अपने टीचर्स का। और अब मैं आप सभी को भी कहना चाहता हूँ, आप सभी लोगों को अपने गुरुओं की रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि टीचर ही वो आईना है जो आपको सच्चाई और गलत के बीच का फ़र्क दिखा सकता है। दैट्स ऑल अबाउट मी। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
इसी क्रम में मैं अपने क्लासमेट सत्यम को बुलाना चाहूँगी कि आप आए और 2 शब्द कहें।
So first of all, good morning to everyone. I am present here and ये शुभ अवसर पर हम टीचर्स डे मनाते हैं। टीचर्स हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट लाइफ में, और वो हमें हमेशा हमारे अच्छे के लिए ही बोलेंगे जो भी बोलेंगे। एंड टीचर्स हमें हमेशा मोटिवेट करेंगे, हमें हमेशा ग्रो करेंगे। एंड कहीं बुरा नहीं बोलेंगे, जो भी बोलेंगे सही बोलेंगे हमारे लिए हमेशा। एंड वो हमें जो बताते हैं वो सही रहता है। एंड टीचर्स हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइफ में। टीचर्स नहीं रहेंगे तो हम ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे। एंड
इसी क्रम में मैं अपने अगले क्लासमेट अंतिमा सिंह को बुलाना चाहूँगी।
So first of all, thank you Pratiksha for inviting me. So I would say a very special good morning to all of you. On this occasion, I will deliver to some few words. So I started wishing my teacher a very happy Teacher Day, sir. I would say it's because of your hard work and dedication, we as a grow and learn a better every day. A teacher is always supporting like a pillar and improve our numerous mistakes. So that's all about it. At the end, I would say thank you to you, sir, for providing me this opportunity to say some words. So thank you so much. That's all about it.
इसी क्रम में मैं अपने अगले क्लासमेट प्रीति को बुलाना चाहूँगी।
First of all, before I go any further, a very special good morning to each and everyone of you. By the way, my name is Preeti Pal. Today is the 5th December. We are celebrating Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day of our second parents. We should respect our teachers. Thank you very much.
इसी क्रम में मैं अपने अगले क्लासमेट काजल को बुलाना चाहूँगी।
Before I go any further, I would like to say it's my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, I'm Kajal. Basically, I'm from Jaunpur. Today, on this great occasion of Teachers Day, I'm very happy to be here. I know this day is very special for us. I'm seeking your blessings, sir. That's all I can say. Thank you very much.
a very special good morning to each and every one of you. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Komal. Today is 5th September. We are celebrating our India. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teacher Day is the birth anniversary. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and second president of India. That's all about it. Thank you.
इस कार्य को सफल बनाने के लिए आप सभी